Hi, welcome to Geeta Shah Guidelines. Today I will show you step by step how to cut and make easy pattern of fabric face mask. So we can do this from home without sewing machine. I am going to use this plate as this will help to create a simple and quick pattern. So I will cut the circle keeping the plate. Diameters are different for all. So for the male, from this point to this point, the diameter will be 10 to 11 inches. For the female, same. This is the diameter, but the measurement is going to be 9 inches. And for the kids, the diameter will again change by 1 inch and it will be 8 inches. You will decide for whom you are making. Accordingly, you will take the diameter of the plate. Mark on the fabric with the help of chalk and cut with sharp scissor. After cutting the circle, I will fold the circle to get 4 equal parts. So first I will fold into half and then again into half and cut this in 4 pieces. So as you can see, with the help of this plate, I have got the circle which I have cut into 4 pieces. Now we will start sewing, that is stitching, by placing 2 pieces right facing right. We will take back stitches as you can see in this 2 pieces which I have already joined. I will do back stitch at half centimeter. So in this curve, we are going to do right now running stitch. This is also one method of joining 2 pieces. But as you can see, it is quick but not strong. This right now what I am doing is back stitch. For back stitch, you will go behind, complete the stitch, go forward, leave gap for the stitch. As you can see over here, I am going behind, completing the gap, completing the stitch, going in front, leaving gap for the next stitch. I have put pins so that it does not shift and my stitching becomes faster. So I will go behind, complete the stitch, go ahead, same amount and leave gap for the next stitch. Half centimeter for example behind and half centimeter ahead. As you can see, I didn't have so many pins, so I can even put needles so that it does not move. So I will keep on repeating the back stitch till the time I complete. Go behind, complete the stitch, go forward and leave gap for the next stitch. Like this, I have finished all the 4 stitches, 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. Now I will open it up and place it right facing right. I have put some pins so that it does not move. So I will open it up from the bottom and show it to you. As you can see, the stitch line is matching each other and I have pinned it right facing right. So we will keep both the sides, this side and the other side, open to turn, and from this point to this point, similar from this point to this point, we will stitch and do back stitch. Both the sides we will not stitch right now. So as you can see, we have finished the back stitch on both the positions which I showed. Both the sides we have not stitched right now. So what we are going to do is, we will turn it right side out from the open portion and we can iron it. From both the sides we will double fold and do back stitch. Then we can insert the elastic. Second method is, first you put the elastic and double fold it and do back stitch. Or you can do hemming. As you can see, we cannot see the joint. So what happened was the elastic had been done with backstitch. We cannot see it. Why? Because this backstitch, we have pulled it in the casing. So that's the reason it is not seen. Elastic measurements are different for all the sizes. For male, we will take 8 inches, for female 7, and for kids, we will take 6 inches. After the mask is ready, you can embellish with beads, embroidery patch, etc. I hope you liked the method of face mask which I showed you. Please try and comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. We meet again in my next video. Bye.